Multiple sclerosis is a chronic inflammatory disease that affects the central nervous system, particularly the brain, spinal cord, and optic nerves. It occurs as a result of an abnormal immune system response that mistakenly attacks myelin, a fatty, protein-rich substance that surrounds and protects nerve fibers. However, its main function is to ensure the proper transmission of nerve impulses, allowing fast and efficient communication between neurons. In multiple sclerosis, the immune system damages myelin and attacks oligodendrocytes, the cells responsible for producing this substance. This process, known as demyelination, leads to the formation of plaques, or lesions, that develop in different areas of the central nervous system, particularly in the optic nerves, brain, and spinal cord. The presence of these lesions disrupts the normal transmission of nerve impulses, slowing or even blocking their conduction, and causing symptoms that vary depending on the location and extent of the damage. In our previous video, which you can watch by clicking here, we explained this process in greater detail. Although the exact causes of multiple sclerosis are still not fully understood, the available evidence suggests that the disease results from a complex interaction of genetic, immunological, environmental, and lifestyle factors. Multiple sclerosis is not considered a hereditary disease, but there is a genetic predisposition that increases the risk of developing it compared with the general population. Researchers have identified around 200 genes, many of which are involved in the function and regulation of the immune system, that appear to contribute, albeit only slightly, to the risk of developing the disease. As for environmental factors, studies have shown that people living farther from the equator, where exposure to sunlight is lower, have a greater risk of developing multiple sclerosis. According to experts, this association may be linked to low levels of vitamin D, which plays an important role in regulating the immune system. Vitamin D helps modulate the inflammatory response and strengthens immune defenses by enhancing the mechanisms involved in eliminating pathogens. Among the other possible causes of multiple sclerosis are certain viruses that, according to some studies, may contribute to the development of the disease. The best known is the Epstein-Barr Virus, the pathogen responsible for infectious mononucleosis and a member of the herpes virus family. Recent studies suggest that when B lymphocytes, the white blood cells involved in the immune response, become infected with the Epstein-Barr virus, they may alter the normal function of the immune system and contribute to the development of an autoimmune response. During this process, they are believed to promote damage to the myelin sheath surrounding nerve fibers, making the effective transmission of nerve impulses from the central nervous system to the rest of the body more difficult or even impossible. Other studies indicate that people who experience obesity during childhood and adolescence, as well as those who smoke cigarettes, have a higher risk of developing multiple sclerosis. In the case of early life obesity, excess adipose tissue is thought to promote a state of chronic inflammation associated with the overproduction of pro-inflammatory adipokines, particularly leptin, resistin, and visfatin. These molecules interfere with the cellular immune response to infections, potentially lowering the threshold for autoimmune attacks against the nervous system. As for cigarette smoking, the toxic and carcinogenic substances it contains promote chronic systemic inflammation and alter the function of immune cells. In addition, they may impair the integrity of the blood-brain barrier, allowing inflammatory cells to enter the central nervous system more easily, and promoting autoimmune processes directed against myelin. Cigarette smoking therefore increases the risk of developing multiple sclerosis, both in active smokers and in people exposed to secondhand smoke. it may also contribute to a worsening of disease progression in individuals who already have the condition. In conclusion, multiple sclerosis is a complex, multifactorial disease in which the interaction between genetic predisposition and environmental factors contributes to the activation of autoimmune processes directed against the central nervous system. Despite significant advances in research, its exact causes remain incompletely understood, making continued research essential to better understand the underlying mechanisms and improve strategies for prevention and disease management.